Hi there, welcome to this video. In this one, it's a really quick video about removing color casts, something that's very simple to do in Photoshop, and I just wanted to quickly run through it with you so that you know exactly how to do it. Okay, and this one here, this is our before shot. You can see it's kind of got a greeny color cast to it, and this is our after shot here. And which we could probably slightly adjust more as well. I'll just take you through exactly how I did it with this one. First of all, we duplicated our background layer, and then we're just neutralizing the colors on the copy there. So we'll just call this remove color cast. Okay, and now we're going to come up to the image menu, scroll down to adjustments, and then select match color. And there's this great little button here called neutralize, and if you just click on that, that's as simple as it is. And we can adjust our fade here as well. If it's a little too intense, you can see there's when we have it on 0, there's a slight sort of almost bluish tinge in the tint in the skin there. We're just going to increase the fade there to about 15% just to kind of cut that back, and click on OK. And that's our before shot, and that's our after. So very quickly, very easily, you can remove color casts in Photoshop using the match color dialog box, and click on neutralize, and then you can adjust the sliders to suit. I'll just close that image now, and we've got another one here which has a pretty full-on color cast in it. This is the before shot, and let's have a look at the after here. And this is our after shot. This is kind of a cross-processing type image there, and I'm sure it's been set up originally to look like that, but we've gone about removing the color cast from it just for the purpose of this demonstration, and I'll show you exactly how we did that with this one. Okay, just delete those layers, start again, duplicate the background layer, and we'll just call that remove color cast as well. Okay, now there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can use that other option, adjustments, match color, and then select neutralize, and you can use the fade slider there or the color intensity slider to make sort of further adjustments to your image there, and you can get an excellent result that way. Very quick, very easy. You don't need to be a super professional to do that either. Just undoing that though, we'll show you another way. We can go to the image menu, adjustments, and then select levels, and this way here we have our highlight, our white point our white point eyedropper, midpoint or grey point, and our black point. And with this we can basically select something that has some detail in it which probably should be white. So if we can find something in our image here, maybe this building here, then we can find a midpoint which is sort of like our grey tone. We might select that there, and then we want to find something that should be kind of black, and sort of like at one of our darkest parts of the image there, and this is the effect that it's giving us on that. Let's have a look at our before and after. It's basically removed that sort of greenish tint. Hasn't worked as well for this image as would have hoped, so let's use the match color option again there, click on neutralize, and let's just slightly reduce the color intensity there, and increase the fade option there. Let's have a look. That's before and that's after. So for me, and for these pictures here, that quite simply was the easiest and the best method for removing the color casts. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next video, and make sure you get stuck into it, practice, 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 and use the match color dialog under the image adjustments menu there, and you can select match color to remove color casts in any of your photos. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.